Today we are going to see 34th question of part B of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. The 34th question is the two palm trees are of equal heights and are standing opposite each other on either side of the river, which is 80-meter wide. From a point O between them on the river, the angles of elevation of the top of the trees are 60° and 30° respectively. Find the height of the trees and the distances of the point O from the trees. So here, before answering, we need to know what is given in the question. So here, what is given in the question is two palm trees are given. Okay, two palm trees are given are of equal heights or having same heights. Okay, two palm trees having equal height and which is and are standing opposite each other on either side of the river. Here a river is flowing and river is of 80-meter wide. Okay, so this is a river of width 80 meter. Okay, and from a point O, here there is a point O, and from a point O, the top of the tree is seen. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the trees are 60° and 30° respectively. This is a 60° and the angle of elevation of the top of the another tree is 30°. Okay, so here is a point O. From this point, the height of top of the tree is seen with the elevation, angle of elevation 60°, and this tree top is seen with the angle of elevation 30°. Okay, we need to find out height of the tree, both the trees, and the distance between the point O from the tree. This is tree 1. Okay, this is tree 2. Okay, so this distance, say A, and this distance, say B. We need to find out H and what is the distance of A and B. We need to find out. So in order to find this, you name this point as A, this point B, and this point O, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, and in order to find out the height and A, H and A, you take the triangle ABO. So this angle is 90°, therefore this is a right angle triangle. You take a triangle ABO, right angle triangle. So using trigonometry, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so what is opposite? So tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Then here theta is 60°. Therefore tan 60° is equal to tan of 60° is equal to, what is the opposite side of 60°? H. What is the adjacent side? A. Okay, so opposite side is H, adjacent side is A. We know tan 60 is √3. Okay, so H by A, you cross multiply so that you will get A √3 equal to H. Okay, or Okay, a root 3 equal to h, or h is equal to a root 3. Okay, this is the height of the trees in terms of a. Okay, here is another triangle. Okay, here we have another triangle. This is also a right angle triangle CDO. Okay, so that according to the triangle, you take a CDO triangle, tan 30 degree. Here is 30 degree, therefore tan 30 is equal to opposite of 30 degree is height h by adjacent side is b. Okay, b. So in the same way you cross multiply, so that you will get tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is equal to h by b. If you cross multiply, then you will get h is equal to b by root 3. H is equal to b by root 3. So this is the height of the tree in terms of b. Okay, so this is first equation, this is second equation. You equate, okay, equate 1 and 2. Since left hand side of both the equations are having same height. Okay, so you can equate this to equation. If you equate 1 and 2, then you will get a root 3 equal to b by root 3, or okay, or a into root 3 into root 3 equal to b, or 3a equal to b. Okay, so 3a equal to b. But we know a plus b equal to 80 meter. Okay, so what is b? B is 80 minus a. So you substitute this, you keep this as 3, you substitute in this okay, equation a. Okay, substitute b equal to 80 minus a in equation a. So if you substitute, you will get 3a is equal to 80 minus a. Okay, you take a to the left hand side. Therefore, 3a plus a equal to 80. So 4a equal to 80. A equal to 80 by 4, which is equal to 20 meter. So a, the height distance between point O and point B is 20 meter. So a we found as 20 meter, and you substitute a is equal to 20 in this equation, so that you will get b value in a. So a equal to 20 meter, substitute in equation a. So equation a is b equal to 3a. So 3 into a value is 20, therefore 60 meter. So b value we found as 60 meter, therefore b is 60 meter. So the distance between O and B is 20, distance between O and D is 60 meter. Okay, so and so A and B we have found. What is H value? H value in terms of A and H value according to equation 1, H is equal to A root 3. You substitute 20 here. Okay, so height of the tree is 20 root 3. Okay, so you write here according equation 1, from equation 1, H is equal to A root 3. So A value is 20 into root 3. So 20 into root 3 value is 1.732. So if you multiply, you will get, okay, so 4, 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14 plus 30, 34.64. So height of the tree is 34.64 meter. So this is the height of the tree. So we have found a B value. A value as 20. Okay. B value 60. H value is 34.64. A is 20 meter and B is 60 meter. We have found. Okay. Once again I am telling, we have determined to find out A, B, H value from using this right angle triangle ABO. We found a tan 60, okay, and we got the equation 1. And using triangle CDO, we found H in terms of B by root 3. You equate both 1 and 2. Then if you equate, you will get 3A equal to B. You keep this as equation A. But we know A plus B is equal to 80 meter. That is, river width is 80 meter. So you write B 80 minus A. Then substitute B value in equation A. You will get A value as 20 meter. You substitute A value in equation capital A. Okay. Then you will get B value as 60 meter. Then after finding A and B value, then finding the height of the tree. Okay, from equation 1, height of the tree is A root 3. A value is 20. So 20 into root 3 is 34.64. This is the answer for this question.